A lot of people ask me this question. Why do you ride your bike to the office every day? Why not just take a metro or a car or something easier? And honestly, it's not just about going from point A to point B. It's about it's something more. It's something more than that. Every morning when I step out of my house, gear up and start my bike, there's this feeling I get. It's like I'm not just starting to I'm not just starting my commute. I'm starting my day with a purpose. No crowded metro, no waiting in line, not being pushed around by the people who are just trying to survive another day. It's just me, my bike, and the road. People think riding daily in a city like Delhi is stressful. Traffic, noise, pollution. Yeah, it's all there. I'm not denying it's always there. But somehow when I'm on my bike, it doesn't feel like stress. It feels like a freedom. When I ride, I'm not just stuck in a box. I can feel the air, I can feel everything around me. I can take my own decisions, my own routes. And even in traffic, there's a flow. So you're not just sitting and waiting, you're moving, adjusting and reacting. It keeps you alive mentally. And honestly, this ride, you can say it's kind of like a therapy. Before reaching to the office, I've already had time to think about life, about my goals, about what I have to do for my career and what I want to do next. Sometimes I don't even play music, just the sound of the engine and my thoughts. That's enough. If I take the metro, yeah, it's faster sometimes, but what do I get? Crowds, noise, people staring at their phones, disconnected. You're just another face in the crowd, no space, no identity. But on my bike, I feel like myself completely. There's also something else. Riding builds a different kind of mindset. You become more aware, more alert, and you start observing things that others don't. Road conditions, people's behavior, situation before they even happen. It sharpens you. That's what I think. And I think that reflects in life too. You become quicker in decisions, more confident, more in control. Also, let's be real. There's a different kind of satisfaction when you ride your own machine. It's not just a vehicle. It's something you connect with. Every throttle, every gear shift. It's like a conversation between you and your bike. Some days are tough, I won't lie. Extreme heat, cold mornings, and unexpected rain. But even those days, they add something to the experience. They make you stronger. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about reaching the office. It's about how you reach there. I don't want my day to start with frustration. I want it to start with energy, with clarity, with control. And when I ride back home after a long day, that ride helps me reset again. It clears my mind. It separates work from life. So yeah, maybe it's not the easiest way to commute. Maybe it's not the most comfortable either. But for me, it's the most real way. That's why I ride my bike to the office every day. Not because I have to, but because I want to. And honestly, I don't think I'll ever switch to anything else. Maybe I might switch to car, but not always. Only sometimes. It's the traffic and all. So, that will be all. Let's see you in another video.